In this video, you'll learn how to swap Solana using the Phantom wallet. By the end of this guide, you will be able to exchange your SOL for other tokens like USDC or USDT seamlessly. Begin by opening your Phantom wallet application. Make sure you are logged into your wallet and are on the main screen where your wallet balance is displayed. This is where you will find the options to manage your assets. Next, look for the swap button. This option is typically located at the bottom of the screen or prominently displayed on the main interface. Once you click on swap, the interface will change to display the swap functionality. In the You Pay section, select SOL from the drop-down menu. This indicates that you are using Solana as the currency you want to swap. After selecting SOL, you will notice the wallet automatically updates to show the current price and available balance. Now move to the You Receive section where you will choose the token you want to acquire. Options may include USDC, USDT, or other tokens supported by the Phantom wallet. Click on the drop-down and select your desired token. Enter the amount of SOL you wish to swap. Be mindful of the amount you input, as it should not exceed your available balance. The wallet will usually show you the equivalent amount of the token you will receive based on the current exchange rate. After entering the amount, click on the Review button. This will take you to a summary screen where you can verify the details of your swap, including the amount of SOL you are paying and the token you will receive in return. Once you have confirmed that all the details are correct, click on Confirm to finalize the transaction. Depending on network conditions, there may be a brief waiting period while the transaction is processed. You should see a confirmation message once the swap is complete, indicating that the tokens have been exchanged successfully. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.